going. So we have two new options for the bidding, and those are above percentage trade floor and below percentage trade floor. If you are in the Discord group, you know that we have some strategies with the above percentage floor, below percentage floor, and those can be used for above percentage trade floor and below percentage trade floor. So with these two options we will narrow down the the offers that we send for some specific trades, and you can send offers based on the actual floors. So let's take an example. For the above percentage trade floor we will use 50%, and as an example we have the trade here, which is head toothbrush on a Opensea collection, and you can basically see that the price on the trade floor is 0.06, and we have 145 items in this trade. So you now need to put a buy now filter on this trade, so the bot can go to the page and check the best price and adjust your offers based on the trade floor. So let's put a buy now filter, and now we have 10 results and the floor is actually 0.06. Now we copy the URL, put it into the bot, and that's it. How you make the settings, right? And to create the list, you can export all the results from here using the create list module we have, and I have already a list loaded up with 145 items. So the additional buy now filter is only for the bot to know where to check the floor price. And here in the right side we have another thread, so you can use unlimited threads. We can run different combos in the same time, and the second one is having below percentage trade floor, and for this example we will use another trade. So the second trade we will use is head cotton swap. As you can see, we have 147 results. I have my list already exported and loaded up here. As I mentioned earlier, you can create it with the create list module in like seconds. And once you have ready, you loaded that, and now we have to make the URL for the bot so it can know where to go and check the trade floor. So we just apply the buy now filter, and we have only 10 items, and the actual floor here it's 0.05. So we copy this and we put it in the collection URL. Now let's finish the settings. Everything is loaded up and we are ready to go. So let's start the above percentage trade floor first. Let me pull my password. Once Metamask is unlocked, you just simply click OK on the pop-up window, and the bot it will go. As you can see, 143 listings. It will take every listing from the page once he got his floor price. So the floor price is 0.06, 50 above it will be 0.09, right? and as you can see, it starts sending 0.09 offers on those listings that we have here without the buy now filter, right? And now let's run the second one, that is using the below percentage trade floor option. Let's unlock the Metamask. Okay. It's unlocked. Now let's press OK on the pop-up window. And now the second thread should go to the second list, which is around 147 items, and you can see the floor is 0.07 on this specific trade. So we will place a bid 35 below the actual 0.05, which is around 0.0325, right? And now it's putting a 12-hour hopeful expiration date, and let's see both running in the same time. So yeah, this option is quite powerful if you have the strategies we share to all of our lifetime clients. You will love to use it. I suggest to narrow down your offers, especially on those low competition on those high competition collection that get lots of offers. So the point here is, to make some good flips, and I'll take care of everything to get you started and learn to use efficiently those methods. So yeah, those two options are the new one. Soon they will be available also on Polygon, Klaytn, and yep, let's get busy and let's stack that ETH. Mention it's that the floor is checked every 20 offers. So for example, in our case we have 147 items. So when 20 offers are sent to the first 20 items from the list, the bot it will go again to the homepage of the trade, and it will check the lowest price again, and that will make sure that if something change during your process, the bot it will adjust to the lowest price on the trade. So yeah, the option is dynamic also, and it's checking every 20 listings the floor price again. So let's rumble.